Guys, I got a 2003 Honda CRV stuck axle. You have a stuck CV-Axle, you're gonna probably end up having to remove these 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, and 3, to just take the entire shaft down so you can try to separate this thing on the ground. So that's what I'm about to do here right now. See if I can get this thing a couple taps and send it on a merry little way. Work this out. Baby, give me some love. I'm a gangster, baby. And there it is. All you gotta do is remove these 3 bolts right here. Take the entire rack down if it gets stuck on you. And just bang that stuck out on the ground. It come out just like butter, baby. All I use was a little chisel and a hammer, and just bang the axle all around. You can spin it around and get different angles to hit it. It's a lot easier on the ground, guys. There it is. 2003 Honda CRV. Get to work. SBF car, junkie gang, and we out. Peace.